Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. Today I want to show you a winning strategy on the MT5. How to make money trading volatility index. So I have tested the strategy on volatility index and I want to share it with you. It is a simple strategy that anyone can use. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Like my video and chat me now on my Telegram group. Now I will explain all the indicators I have on the chart. I only have two custom indicators. Every other indicator comes with your platform. And the arrow indicator on the chart does not repaint, and we have the support and resistance zone indicator. Apart from that, I just add moving averages, and you can play with the moving averages that you want, and which I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, how do you trade this particular simple strategy? First thing you need to do, you can trade this strategy on any time frame you want. You can do that. If you want to scalp, you can use it. For longer time, you can use it. And here is the setting on 1 minute time frame. So this is how to use it. So let me explain how to use it on this particular strategy on 1 minute time frame. Number one thing you have to look out for is the crossing of these moving averages, the two moving averages, which you can adjust. On my chart, I have two moving averages, the 55 and the 9 moving average. Now, you look out for these two moving average to cross. Once it crosses, that is the first place to place the first point to place your trade, and the stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high, and you ride your trend to the end. And the arrow, I use the arrow for continuation of the main trend. And let me look for a good sample for this particular arrow. Here is one point that this arrow is useful. Now we have a buy signal from this particular point. At this point, the two EMA cross at this point, and we have another pullback to the main line at this point, and the reversal indicator gave us a good point to re-enter this particular trade. Why I'm adding this indicator is that if you miss the first trade, you can still enter when you see this arrow for a pullback, and that's one way of using this particular no reversal indicator. I do not encourage you to use this arrow indicator alone, though it does not repaint, but it is not 100% accurate. You might have a serious drawdown on your account if you use the arrow alone. So you can combine the arrow with other indicator, and the MACD below too can do the same thing for this strategy. You can use the MACD either to confirm the main trend, or to enter the pullback, or to use it for both signal, the first entry and the pullback. And this is how you use it too. You wait once this moving average cross above the yellow, cross above the black, and you wait for MACD to cross from below zero level to above. then you can enter at this particular point. This is the right point where both moving average and MACD is in agreement, so you can enter at this point. And number 2, again, you can enter another pullback from this particular point, and stop loss will be the previous low before the pullback signal was generated. We have MACD turning to the positive side at this particular point. So at this point you can place your trade again, and MACD came down to the lower point here again and turn to positive side at this particular point. So here you place another trade for in the direction of the main trend, which is uptrend, and enter another one. Then your stop loss will be here until you see another signal which is opposite to the previous one we enter. And this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any time frame, and you can combine the two time frame together. Since we have a uptrend in 15 minutes, you can demarcate it. This is where we have the first cross at the close of this candle. Then you can go back to 5 or 15 minutes to trade only the uptrend. Every signal you see for down, you will not take it. Here, this is where it crossed on the 15 minutes, and then you keep on taking the up direction. This will be the first point to enter. Again, it crossed up. Here's another one, and then you ride your trend until another signal is generated. So you can use it alone without combining the two time frame together. Let me show you the setting for each indicator. This is supply and demand indicator, and these are the values. You can use the default setting once I send it to you. You don't have to change anything, but if you want to do that, please do. You can play with it. And the second indicator is the reversal indicator. The theta candle is 21. You can adjust this particular setting also, the value, to see which one work better for you, and the color all depends on you. Just make sure you play with it. After that, just click OK. Then the moving averages I use on the chart, I have a 9 shift 0, then exponential, apply to close. I use yellow color, and once you set it, there's no need to set any other thing. Just click OK. And the second one is 55, and the color is black. Exponential also apply to close. Then the MACD, I use the parameter is 12, 26, 11. Then the color, change it to what you like. And this is how to set each indicator to give you a good strategy. Now you can play with these moving averages. Let's try and add other value or change this value, but I want you to combine these two together and compare it. Which one is okay for you? I still want to use 55 this time around, or let me leave the 55 and let me use higher value like 155, and let me change the color to red so that I will be able to see. So if you combine 21 and 155 together, this is where you will have your first trade. Get the value for this small one. This is 55, yes. The black is 55 and the yellow is 9. So the first trade will be triggered here, where you have this 55 and 155 together, which is late. And here, if you combine 155 and 55 together, you are going to have the first trade here, and which is a bit better. And the 9 and 55 will give us signal earlier, but you will still have few fake outs too. So if you So this is how to try different moving average to see the one that work best for you. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.